From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. And the name of this video, Turnaround Tuesday and S&P 2100. The high of the day in the S&P came at a 2098.30 just a little while ago. The low came at a 2086.5 after the open or early, and last were 2093.5 were unchanged on the day. Total volume 1.1 million, I should say low, 1.1 million minis trade and 3,000 big S&Ps trade in the pit. Now the MIMS came out showing size for sale. It was a great indication, and then gradually got down to $1 billion for sale. The actual MOC came out sell 1.7 billion. Good job on the MIM today. Tomorrow, let me back this up. You know what was going on here today toward S&P 2100 is that everybody thought it was going to go up there. Even I did. I thought they were going to run those stops above 2100. But you know what? The mutual funds started taking some profits, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. Tomorrow we've got the MBA Purchase Applications. We got the housing starts number. We have the PPI-FD number, Redbook, industrial production, the FOMC minutes, and earnings from Priceline Group, Wal-Mart, and Marathon Oil. And I know that there's some other names reporting, but you know what? For the most part, their earnings are cooked. Okay, now we picked February 28th for the MrTopStep Unplugged webinar. That's me, totally unplugged. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to be going over all the stuff that I talk about in my trading room, things that I think help me understand the markets. And then we're going to also jump into what's going on with the MIM and some very, very special, cool things that are happening at MrTopStep. Now look, we had 10 straight days of buying balances. That train stopped today, right up at S&P 2100. And I think that that's a logical price for, I kind of try to point out to people over the last couple of days that, you know, be kind of careful here. The bus may get a little too loaded up. And you know what? That kind of price action was showing up here late in the day. Now, the last thing is that the retailers report this week. Tomorrow is Wal-Mart, and Nordstrom's is on Thursday. And thank you, Twitter followers, for letting me know that. Excuse me. Now, as of today's close, the S&P has been up 8 out of the last 11 sessions, or 8 out of the first 11 sessions in February, or up 5 out of the last 6, or up 5 in a row. So, you know what? This is a well-deserved little break here late in the day. Now, one of the other part of this is still, the Greeks are still a wild card here, and they've been very hard to nail down. There's some deadlines looming for them, but you know what? I don't know what to think about that. It just doesn't look like it's going to end up very well. We also have the FOMC minutes tomorrow, and then last but not least, I want to talk about a very special spread that I've been long, and right now, I got to ask you, what trades at plus 85 to minus 05? I'll tell you what spread it is. It's the Delray Beach, long Delray Beach, Chicago, short Chicago spread. That's what spread that is. I'm going to leave it like that, traders. Make sure you guys, I'll be putting a link in for the webinar. Come on, join me. You know what I mean? I'm out here kicking ass and working hard for you guys. Show me that you like me. Show me that you'll be there. And you know what? We'll have a good time in the midst of it. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the opening print.